Hi, welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today my recipe is Manatakali Pachadi. Manatakali is very good for health. It reduces body heat, cures stomach and mouth ulcer. Let's see how to do it. The ingredients are 10 small onions finely chopped, 1 tomatoes finely chopped, Manatakali, few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, half cup of dur dal washed and soaked in water for half an hour, 1/2 teaspoon of samba powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. When tawa is hot, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. When oil is hot, add chopped onion, add little bit of salt to cook the onion quickly and saute the onion for a few minutes. Now the onion is almost done. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add tomatoes. Saute for a few minutes and cook until the tomatoes become mushy. Now add the remaining turmeric powder and samba powder. Mix it well and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. I am going to cook the dal directly. I am not using the cooker because I don't want to overcook the dal. Use the same water that was used for soaking the dal. Add a pinch of turmeric and half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Now add the manatakali. Mix well. Add salt. You can see the dal is cooked well. I want this stage. I don't want to overcook the dal. Add the same water to cook the manatakali. Close it and cook it for 5 minutes. The consistency of the dal should be like this. It should not be overcooked. Now add the dal. Mix it well. Check the salt and add the salt. Add the remaining sesame oil. Add the mustard seeds. When mustard seeds splatters, add cumin seeds. Add hing. Curry leaves. 1 the seasoning to the pachadi. Check the consistency. If you feel the consistency is very thick, add the remaining dal water and mix it well. According to your taste, you can adjust the water. And also check the salt. Authentic Manathakali Pachadi is ready. Try this recipe, give your comments and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching Sara's Kitchen.